Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Today we are going to do a homemade recipe, scalloped potatoes. Okay, it's actually a very easy recipe, but it looks really yummy. So let's get to it. All right, so we are going to get started with the sauce on it. So I've already got my butter melting up. We're going to throw in our garlic because we want to get this all nice and browned up so we can smell that yummy garlic going on. I've already got my oven preheated 350 because once we're all done, obviously everything's going to go in the oven and bake for a bit. So let's get this going. Okay, so now we are going to add in our flour and then our salt and pepper. And we're going to get this stirred up until all of the clumps are all out. Okay, so we've got all these clumps all out, and now we're going to add in our milk. Nice and slow. Continue whisking while you're doing this because you want to get all the lumps and everything. You don't want it to clump up or anything. So we're going to get this all nice and ready to go. All right, so now we're just going to keep whisking this until this comes to a soft boil, okay? And hey, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends. Always click on that link tree for some other fun stuff, okay? So this is coming to a nice gentle boil. All right, so we're going to stir this up for just a couple of minutes, and then we're going to turn off the heat and set it aside, and then we're going to go over and get started on our potatoes. All right, so we're going to slice up our potatoes really thin. I've got, my handy dandy little chopper that I have. It also has a little attachment to be able to do these really thin slices of potatoes. So I've never done this before. Let's do it. It seems to be working pretty good, so here we go. It does get a little on the wet side, obviously, but that's okay. We like things when they get a little slippery, don't we? Getting to the end, you can tell. Save my fingers, because that's all I need is me slicing my fingers, because I would. Let's see how these are looking. I think they're looking pretty good. Yeah, this is the perfect size too. Nice and thin, just like what we want. Perfect. All right, so we're just going to get the rest of these potatoes done. We're only doing 3 because, like I said, this is just a very small recipe. So I'm going to finish these last 3, okay? All right, so these potatoes are all sliced up. They came out really good. I'm actually kind of surprised. So we're making a very small portion. So I don't need a great big huge baking pan. So I'm just going to throw all of these in here. I'm going to get them all nice and lined up, nice and pretty, I guess. And then we will be putting on our sauce, and then to top it off with our Parmesan cheese. And then this will go into the oven, 350 for probably about an hour or so. So let's get this all. Oh, this is going to be so yummy. I love a good potato. And a scalloped potato, even better. So look at that. All right, so I'm going to grab the sauce, and we're going to pour the sauce all over the top, okay? All right, so we're going to take this sauce, got it all stirred up, and we're just going to pour this over this whole thing. I want to get it all in the little nooks and crannies because you can never have too much sauce. That's for sure. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? All right. Oh, I want it all. Give me it all. Okay. And then we are going to take a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and we're just going to sprinkle this over the top. And then, like I said, this is going to go into the oven, and it's going to bake for about an hour or so. We'll check it throughout how it's doing, and check it throughout the process. All right, so into the oven we go. All right, these scalloped potatoes going in the oven. So I will catch you back here about an hour. All right, these scalloped potatoes are ready to come out of the oven. And oh my God, they smell so good. They look so yummy. I can't wait to try these. Yum. All right, so we're gonna get these set here. All right, moment of truth. Here we go. Hopefully I won't burn myself. Oh, yum. Oh, yum. Oh, doesn't that Look at how yummy that looks. I threw some shrimp in the oven just to have something to go on the side with these. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? This looks really, really yummy. It smells so good. It smells absolutely amazing. Look at all that yumminess. The potatoes are done just perfect. I've got to try them. I can't wait. I'm sorry. I can't. Way better than a box. Way better than a box. And that's how I used to make my scalloped potatoes. What was I thinking? This was a yummy recipe. This was super easy. Didn't take long at all. You could double, triple it, whatever, if you wanted to make a bigger batch. So definitely a double thumbs up in my book for sure. So, well, there you go. I hope you guys had a good time. I always do. I look forward to our next fun adventure in the kitchen. Okay, bye.